Welcome back, I'm Allie with NGM Modeling, and today we're going to talk about how to pick and get signed by an agency. All right, guys, let's jump right into it, how to pick and get signed by an agency. First of all, make sure that it's a reputable agency. Take a look at their social media. Are they posting pictures of their clients getting jobs? Are they getting them jobs? They should be posting those things. If they're not, those are some things to definitely take into account when you're trying to find an agency to be a part of. All right, so make sure that they're getting them jobs. That's important because that's the whole point of an agency. Next, go straight to their website. Every agency has an application process, and you want to make sure that you follow the application process. So go there and make sure also that you meet the requirements. Sometimes there's height, weight, age requirements. If you don't fit the requirements, don't bother sending in your information. It's going to be ignored and deleted. If you are not a match for what they're looking for, do not apply because it will most likely be ignored. So make sure that you take that into consideration. Next, the standard commission for an agent is 10%. Any agency that's asking you for more than 10% commission is probably not a reputable agency. So make sure that you get that information up front because it is very important to know these things ahead of time. Next is you are going to need headshots and comp cards. All right, you may already have that going in when you're applying for an agency, but you don't have to get headshots and comp cards from the agency. You shouldn't have to. If you already have them, just bring those along with you. But if your agency is requiring you to get them from them, then definitely take a little deeper dive into that agency because there might be some other red flags as well. So make sure you look out for that one. Next one is that it's okay to be with multiple agencies. You don't have to be with just one agency. It's okay to, if you find 2 or 3 that you like that are getting jobs for people, then definitely apply for them and you can be a part of more than one. The other thing that's important as well is that you can also represent yourself as well as being represented by an agency too. So don't forget, you can also be an advocate for yourself and continue to hustle and look for jobs on your own as well. If an agency is interested in you, they may ask you to do a test shoot. This is almost always, very few exceptions, almost always, this is free of cost to you because this is the agency wanting to see how you'll work. So they shouldn't be charging you for this. It should either be free or they should be compensating you in a very small way. But so just definitely keep an eye out for that if they're trying to charge you for a test shoot to be a part of their agency. Next one is do not sign an exclusive contract with just one agency. That's a huge red flag if they're requiring you to sign just with them and nobody else, and they're not getting jobs. It's going to make it very difficult for you if they're not getting jobs for you to get out of a contract with just one agency. Well, you'll have better chances if you're with more than one agency and can still represent yourself. And then the last one is that agents don't teach classes. They don't charge you for classes. If they do have classes, they're free of cost to you. But if an agent is charging you for classes, then that is a huge red flag. Again, another reason why you should definitely be looking for a different agency to work with. So these are all really important things. Make sure you guys go back through, listen to it one more time, take some notes because these are very key points to keep in mind when you're picking an agency and trying to be signed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've watched this far, then I know you did like the video, so make sure you like it down below, leave us a comment, and definitely please subscribe and also share it with your friends. If you want to follow me, I'm Allie Marmion. You can follow me, Allie_Marmion on Instagram. And if you want to follow North Georgia Media NGM, it's North Georgia Media on Instagram as well. Thanks. We'll see you next time.